Hello students, welcome back to my video. This is Radhika Atare from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Students, I am very much sure that you are utilizing your lockdown time very wisely. You must be going through the various videos that you are getting of various subjects, the assignments and the homework that you are getting, and of course you are doing it, isn't it? Because all these things are going to help you out in your coming future. Students, let us come back to the video. Today's video is for class 10 students. I have brought the third lesson of Footprint book of English. The lesson is The Midnight Visitor. There are three main characters of our lesson. The very first character is that of Ausable, which is the main character of our lesson. Ausable is an secret agent. The second character is that of a writer. His name is Fowler. And the third character is Max. Max again is another secret agent. Students, many a times it happens that we form opinion about people at our very first meeting, isn't it? The opinion can be a positive opinion or a negative opinion. But do you think that whatever opinion we form at the very first meeting is always a right opinion? No, many a times whatever opinion we form is not correct, isn't it? The same thing has happened in our lesson. Let us find out what happens. Like I told you, Fowler is a writer, and Fowler has come in acquaintance with Ausable because actually Fowler is a romantic writer, but he wanted something exciting in his writing, and therefore he has come in acquaintance with Ausable. But looking at Ausable, whatever imagination he had of a secret agent shatters. What opinion do you have of a secret agent? Let me tell you. When we talk about secret agent, then the very one thing that comes to our mind is James Bond, isn't it? So James Bond, a very smart person, a tall person with wearing a suit, with a gun in his hand, with a glass of wine in his hand, with girls following him. Then he gets some phone call, or he gets a slip in his hand with some secret message in it. That is what our opinion of a secret agent is, isn't it? But Ausable is nowhere near this description. In fact, he is just opposite. Ausable is a short person, a very fat person, and he does not fit the description of a secret agent that we have in our mind. The same thing is with Fowler also. So Fowler is quite disappointed to meet Ausable. Now Ausable takes Fowler to his room, and he understands that Fowler is not happy with him, but he tells Fowler that he is going to receive some secret documents of a missile, and that will change his opinion. And when he takes Fowler to his room and switches on the light, they both are quite surprised because there is already somebody there in the room. And that somebody is the other secret agent that I have already told you about, and that is Max. Max has an automatic gun in his hand, and he has pointed that gun towards both of them. Now, what happens is Ausable immediately takes situation in his hands, and with his creativity of his mind, he makes a story there and then. He tells Max that he is going to complain the hotel management because this is the second time that somebody has entered his room through the balcony. So Max was quite surprised because Max did not knew that there was some balcony because he had entered through a duplicate key. And he also said that if he knew about the balcony, it would have been more easy for him. So Ausable tells him that the balcony is just outside the window, which is attached to the room which is beside. And that is when there is a knock, and Osable tells that definitely it must be the police, because he is going to get these secret documents, and he has asked the police to keep a tab on him so that the documents and Osable both are safe. Hearing this, Max is quite disturbed, and he tells Osable that he is going to go and stand in the balcony and wait till the police goes away. And he also tells Osable not to act smart. And when he swings his legs out of the window to drop down into the balcony, there is no balcony. It is Osable's own creation of the balcony, and Max directly goes down 6 floors and dies. Now, looking at all this, Fowler is quite surprised, looking at the presence of mind that Osable used to save himself, to save Fowler, because it was not the police at all. One more twist, it was not the police at the door, but it was the room service who had brought a couple of drinks for Osable. So look at the presence of mind that Osable used to not only save himself, but the guest, that is the writer that he had with him. So don't you think that whatever opinion Fowler had of Osable was totally wrong? He formed a opinion just looking at his physical appearance, but he did not imagine that he had a superb thinking power, which not only helped Osable himself, but to save Fowler's life also. So students, think twice before forming opinion about somebody, because maybe whatever we think of that person, it is not so, isn't it? Looking at the example that we saw right now, definitely it happens that our opinions are always not right, isn't it? So think twice before forming, give some time to form your opinion. Don't form your opinion immediately. Okay, before I end my video, one small task again. I want you to write a short note on Osable. Okay, till then please stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your parents and your grandparents and your siblings. Okay, till then, bye bye, see you very soon.